Hello. Today I'm going to be doing resistance band training, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing it lying down. So this is inside a dance room. However, it's what we're doing. We're imitating a situation where if you're in the bed, you can loosen the bed anytime you want, or on a sofa, or if you're in a hotel, or even a hospital and you're not really mobile, this is a great way for you to do exercise as well, and to have some core resistance training as well using resistance bands. Hopefully this will help you out. Give it a try. This is going to be a full set of 5 videos doing stretches. We're going to be doing upper body, lower body, core, and back. Okay? So we're going to do a range of series of videos where we'll introduce this as well. So each video won't be too long like the previous ones. It'll be short snippets of each different section, but this will be lying down, okay? How about you join us? So today, as I said, we'll start with the upper body. And we normally have the 4 bands, but for lying down, I think we don't have to be too strenuous. We can use the advanced band, which is our red band, okay? And obviously, if you want to go for a bigger sweat, you want to start working out more, by all means, certain muscle groups. For lower body, you can jump onto the high strength bands as well. But we'll start with the red. All the routines, as we said, are printed on the bands when you buy them. So as you do the exercises, just read it off and do the exercises. Lying down, there'll be a slight variation on the movements because these bands, these exercises were made for standing up. However, it's quite flexible, as you'll see. Okay, excuse me, I've got my little cheat notes here that helps me remember things. We'll start with the bicep curls, okay? So assume we're lying down. Okay, you're gonna have the pillow. Make it a bit more comfortable. Bicep curls. Under the feet. Step on it. You can do single layer or double. And what you do, you can keep your elbows on the ground. And we're lifting up. 1. You can do single arm, one at a time, left, right, or you can do both at the same time. Just be careful when you pull it up. There's obviously quite high tension on the feet, so you don't want it flicking up and hitting you in the face. Everything in moderation. Okay. So that is bicep curls lying down. There's other variation of concentration curls. You can bring up or you can put it on one foot, so you have a directional pull to it. You say you're putting the right foot, and then we're lifting it this way. Pull it towards your chest. Also, you put in the left foot or right foot, and then so you concentrate on the one arm. Okay. So there are a lot of different variations for this as well. You're lying down, so feel whatever you're more comfortable with. These, as we said, these are all guides. I'm not a doctor or professional trainer. Just think that these bands are fantastic for exercises. And the 33 moves that we've added to the bands as well makes it easier to remember. Just follow the bands. Tricep kickback. Similar to the standing move. If you're standing on it, pretend we're standing on it, we're doing the full move. But it helps if you want to lie on one side. If I'm doing the right side, lie on the left. And that's working the tricep. So it's the tricep extension. Okay. So it's the same, right hand, left hand. Just jump on the left hand as well. Kick back. You can put the legs forward. Lying down is easy that way. You can and we're kicking it back, bending down as well. As typically when we're standing up, if we want more tension, hold it lower down. And what we're trying to do is kicking back the arm. Okay. So, those are the first few moves for upper body lying down using resistance bands, okay? Hope you liked it, and just stay tuned for the rest. Okay.